Imagine a place shrouded in mystery, a place known to all, yet understood by none. This is Stonehenge. Nestled in the heart of England, this prehistoric monument has baffled historians, archaeologists, and scientists for centuries. A collection of massive stone pillars arranged in a circular pattern stands as a silent testament to a time long past. The stones whisper tales of ancient civilizations, astronomical wisdom, and perhaps unknown rituals. Despite numerous studies and excavations, the purpose of Stonehenge remains a puzzle. Theories abound, from an ancient burial ground to an astronomical calendar, but conclusive proof eludes us. The enigma of Stonehenge captivates our curiosity, inviting us to delve deeper into the past. But what if I told you that the mystery of Stonehenge extends far beyond its visible stones? What if, beneath the waves, lies another piece of this puzzle, even more enigmatic? Welcome to the uncharted waters of the sunken city of Stonehenge. Beneath the waves near this ancient site, a startling discovery has surfaced. A series of rock formations hidden under the ocean's surface have caught the attention of the world. These aren't just any formations. They bear an eerie resemblance to the iconic stones of Stonehenge, those silent sentinels of history that have puzzled us for centuries. So how were these underwater formations discovered? It all started with the advent of sonar technology. Sonar, which stands for sound navigation and ranging, uses sound waves to detect and locate objects underwater. It's like the echolocation used by bats, but for submarines and underwater exploration. Researchers using sonar began to notice something unusual on the ocean floor near Stonehenge. There were shapes that didn't match the usual patterns of natural rock formations. They were too regular, too symmetrical. It was as if the ocean floor was mirroring the stone circles above on land. Subsequent underwater expeditions confirmed the startling truth. Nestled beneath the waves were formations that seemed to mimic the layout and structure of Stonehenge. Large, monolithic stones standing in a circular pattern, silent and mysterious. Just like their terrestrial counterparts, these underwater stones stood like frozen giants from a time long past. Astonishingly, these formations also seemed to have been positioned with a purpose, echoing the astronomical alignment of Stonehenge itself. The underwater stones seem to align with specific celestial events, much like the land-based Stonehenge does with the summer solstice sunrise and the winter solstice sunset. These formations, silent and submerged, bear an uncanny resemblance to Stonehenge. Their discovery has opened up a Pandora's box of questions and theories. Are they a natural occurrence? A geological quirk of the ocean floor? Or could they be evidence of an ancient civilization, a sunken city perhaps, that had some connection to the builders of Stonehenge? The mystery deepens and the search for answers continues. The similarities between the underwater formations and Stonehenge are too striking to ignore. The submerged stones, like their terrestrial counterparts, are massive, standing tall against the weight of the water. Their arrangement, too, is eerily reminiscent of the iconic Stonehenge layout, with large stones flanked by smaller ones in a circular pattern. These underwater monoliths, much like the Stonehenge stones, are enigmatic in their origin. The sheer size of these structures suggests a formidable effort in their creation and placement, a task that would demand remarkable ingenuity and engineering prowess. Who or what could have been capable of such a feat? Challenging the boundaries of our understanding, these mysterious formations raise more questions than they answer. Some experts argue that such precise alignment cannot be a mere coincidence, suggesting the hand of an ancient, advanced civilization at work. Could these structures be the remnants of a forgotten society whose knowledge and achievements were lost beneath the waves? With each stone, each formation, we see echoes of Stonehenge's grandeur mirrored in the depths below. The symmetry of the structures, the alignment with celestial bodies, the inexplicable transportation of such massive stones, all these factors point towards a connection, a shared narrative between these underwater formations and the enigmatic Stonehenge. Yet as we dive deeper into this mystery, we must also consider the possibility of nature's hand in this. Could these formations be the result of geological processes, shaped and sculpted by the relentless dance of the tides over thousands of years? Or is this a mere coincidence, a trick of light and shadow in the murky depths? Could these underwater formations be a submerged mirror image of Stonehenge? Or is it all just a coincidence? As the waves continue to roll in, obscuring and revealing these enigmatic structures, we are left with a tantalizing mystery. The answer, it seems, remains hidden beneath the waves, urging us to look closer, dive deeper, and question everything we think we know about our past. The underwater formations have sparked a flurry of theories. From the realm of geology to the annals of history, experts and enthusiasts alike have delved deep into the mystery, each proposing their own explanations for these underwater marvels. One theory is firmly rooted in the natural world. Geologists suggest that these formations could be the result of thousands of years of erosion and sediment accumulation. The forces of nature, they argue, have sculpted these stones into shapes reminiscent of Stonehenge. The power of water, the pressure of time, and the randomness of natural processes could have conspired to create this underwater spectacle. But not all are convinced by this geological explanation. Another theory ventures into the realm of the ancient and the anthropological. Some historians and archaeologists believe these formations could be the remnants of a long-lost civilization. They argue that the resemblance to Stonehenge is no mere coincidence, but a clue to a forgotten chapter of human history. Perhaps, they speculate, these were sacred sites of a maritime society, or markers of a trade route, or even the foundations of a sunken city. The possibilities are as vast as the sea itself. Then there are those who walk the line between these two theories. They propose that while the formations might be natural, they could have been used, altered, or enhanced by ancient humans. Like Stonehenge, these underwater stones could have served as astronomical observatories, spiritual sanctuaries, or communal gathering places. The sea, after all, has always held a certain allure for humankind. These theories, as varied and intriguing as they are, all share one thing in common. They are still theories. Despite the advances in underwater archaeology and sonar mapping technologies, the definitive proof remains elusive. Every new discovery seems to raise more questions than it answers. Every piece of evidence adds another layer of complexity to the puzzle. But that's what makes this mystery so captivating, doesn't it? The endless possibilities, the tantalizing clues, the promise of undiscovered secrets waiting to be unearthed. The search for answers pushes us to explore, to investigate, to question. And in doing so, we learn not just about our past, but also about our present, and perhaps even our future. The truth remains elusive, but the quest for answers continues. As we delve deeper into the mystery of the sunken city of Stonehenge, who knows what we might find? Every theory, every speculation, every dive beneath the waves brings us one step closer to understanding our world and our place within it. And that in itself is an adventure worth embarking on. Science is diving deep into this underwater mystery. The journey to unravel the enigma of the submerged formations begins with underwater archaeology. Teams of intrepid archaeologists venture into the depths, braving the challenges of visibility, currents, and the sheer mystery of the unknown. Their mission? To closely examine these structures and gather samples for further analysis. Sonar mapping plays a crucial role in this investigation. By sending sound waves that bounce back from the ocean floor, scientists can create detailed maps of the underwater terrain. These maps reveal the layout of the rock formations, providing invaluable clues about their origin. Despite these efforts, the study of these submerged structures is no easy task. The underwater environment presents unique challenges, yet every challenge faced is an opportunity for discovery. Each dive, each sonar scan, brings us a step closer to understanding the true nature of these formations. And what of the future? As our technology advances, so does our ability to explore. New archaeological dives are planned, armed with more advanced sonar mapping tools. The potential for future discoveries is as vast as the ocean itself. As we continue our deep dive into the past, we may yet uncover truths hidden for millennia. For now, the enigma of the sunken city remains, a tantalizing puzzle waiting to be solved. As technology advances, perhaps the secrets of these underwater formations will finally surface. Stonehenge, both above and below the water, continues to captivate our imaginations. This ancient monument, with its majestic stones standing sentinel on England's Salisbury Plain, has long been a source of fascination. Its underwater counterpart, a mysterious collection of rock formations echoing Stonehenge's iconic silhouette, only deepens the intrigue. These submerged structures discovered in the murky depths nearby bear an uncanny resemblance to the world-renowned site. Are they natural formations, shaped by chance and time, or the handiwork of an ancient civilization lost to history? Theories abound, each more captivating than the last. From geological explanations to tales of forgotten societies, the truth remains elusive. Current investigations, utilizing the latest in underwater archaeology and sonar mapping, strive to unravel this enigma. Are these underwater structures mere coincidences of nature? Or could they be the remnants of a forgotten civilization lost to the waves of time? We leave you to ponder this enigma and invite you to share your thoughts and theories.